Alright, so what you're about to see is my pre-rendered background in my bare metal implementation. So, to explain a pre-rendered background, you have a fully real 3D scene, and then we render that scene into a background image ahead of time so it's cheap to display. But we also keep the invisible depth map that says how far away each pixel of that image was in 3D space. That way, characters and effects can still move through the scene correctly, going in front or behind background objects, even though the room itself is being shown as a single image. So, what does all of that mean? Essentially, 3D model is used to be rendered on the screen. In this case, it's the this would be the Sponza GLTF 3D model, which you can find on GitHub, and it's an archived post. But essentially, I'm loading that GLTF and then rendering that as an image at runtime. So that way, it's a 2D image, and then I have this 3D character walking around in space. Yes, what you're seeing does have bugs. It's not 100% accurate. There are a few things I need to address with it. That was totally the wrong. Oh, wait. No, that was totally the right thing. There we go. So, with the code version of it, you can see I'm setting up the views here. So I'm setting the X position of the main camera to be negative 200, 200, and 0 for the X, Y, and Z coordinates. And then the target position is 200, 100, 0. And then an FOV value of 60. So to kind of showcase a little bit of the code, I am doing what's called blitting the background. So taking the model and then converting it to pre-rendered pixels on the screen. And then setting the background here. This is all used in here. There's a bunch more code, but honestly, I'll get more into it once I've cleaned things up a bit and it's no longer as buggy. But yeah, the demo does swap between different camera perspectives. As you can see, it's not exactly accurate. But I'm going to shut up and just let it do its thing now. So yeah, once the code is cleaner and everything, If you want, I can make a full-on video explaining the entire process of how you would build this from scratch. This has been Game Dev Made Easy, signing out.